Hi everyone, welcome to Vagaro University. Today I'll show you how to import your client list using Excel. If you've switched to Vagaro from another scheduling system or want to add your contacts from another source, Vagaro can import your customer list from an Excel spreadsheet. Let's learn more about how to import our customer list using Excel through Vagaro. From the calendar, hover over Customers and select Import Management. To make things easier, Vagaro provides a sample Excel file to input your client's information. Select Sample Excel file to download this spreadsheet. Once the spreadsheet is finished downloading, open the spreadsheet. There's a ton of information that can be inputted for your client list. Although you don't need to input all the information listed, all you really need is your client's first name and their last initial. It is encouraged to input your client's contact information like their email address and/or their phone number. Attaching contact information helps distinguish clients with the same name, detect potential duplicate profiles, and ensure appointment notifications are sent to the customer. After entering the client's information for import, save the file to your desktop. Going back to the software, under Excel, select the Import button. We'll be asked to upload the Excel file we saved on our desktop. Select Browse, select the downloaded file, open the file, and select Upload. Now we'll see all of our clients' information from our import summary. See how many clients we're importing and a legend of valid client information versus invalid client information. Any invalid client information can be edited from the screen using the pencil icon next to the client's information. We can delete any client information we don't want to include in our import using the trash can icon. Once we're satisfied with our client information, at the bottom of the page, select Import. If these clients are customers of a specific service provider, we'll select the employee using the drop-down menu. Send a quick invitation to these clients to invite them over to your Vagaro listing page to book with you on Vagaro. This invite will be sent via email and text. Select Proceed. The import will take place over the next 2 hours. Once the import is finished, see your added clients under Customer List. You've successfully imported your client list using Excel. For more helpful tips and tricks, click the Vagaro University link in the description below.